morning, guys. What is up? Welcome to a little weekend vlog. Stella's over here. I cannot stop wearing this set. I can't get out of it. I love it so much, but it is currently Thursday. It's my weekend today because I work this weekend, so cheers to that. Made a little coffee, just like a little Stoke cold brew in that cute cup from Walmart. I'm gonna try and link it for you guys, but you know when you go to Walmart and they have like the seasonal like cups and plates and stuff for summer, that's where I got it. I'm feeling good. The last few days have been really rough for me mentally, just with going back into lockdown. But happy Thursday, you guys. I had to flip our sheets around. Normally it's like this print because this demon child, Stella, what are you doing? She got her period last night and we're waiting to get her fixed until she's over a year because it's just personal preference. I did a lot of research with bigger dogs and labs have hip issues to begin with, so I want to wait until she's fully grown to get her fixed. And the doggy diapers we bought her don't fit her. They're already too small, so I need to order some new ones. So there was just like a little bit of blood on the bedspread last night, but like it's not a big deal. I'll wash it today. But she is a woman now. How are you a woman already? How are you already a woman? You were just a baby. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, but Matt and I got some silk pillowcases off of Amazon. They actually match our sheets perfectly, and I love them so much. These were like 5-star rated. They had like 100 and something reviews, 100 and something thousand reviews. They're really great, so I love those. So that's like a little update to our house since the last time that we chatted. This what you want? Excited to take you guys along and whatnot, so yay. Stella and I started our morning with a nice little frisbee adventure. Now that it's getting nice out, I've been trying to take her out to throw the frisbee every morning because Stella, as like a high energy lab, walks don't do much for her unless it's like super long, whereas like 20 minutes of playing frisbee, she's like out for the morning. So that's fun, and I like to run around with her, and it's like a good cardio for me in the morning. And honestly, if I get some kind of activity in first thing in the morning, I always just feel so good and I want to keep it going. And I want to share with you guys that, you know, if you don't enjoy lifting weights or spinning or running and stuff, try just going for a walk. There's so many health benefits to just going for a walk. Pop on a good podcast. If you're not a podcast listener, play some music and just go for a walk, especially now it's getting nice out. That's like one of the biggest things that helped me through the first lockdown. And that's what we're doing today, and I'm actually going with my sister-in-law, which I'm excited about. And not that I feel like I do always feel like I need to defend myself on here, but the outdoor limit is 5 people and they encourage you to have physical activity. So we're gonna go for a 6 feet apart walk, and it'll just be like nice to get out of the house and have a change of scenery and whatnot. So I'm really excited about that. And then I'll pick up some groceries there as well because they have some grocery stores that we don't have in the South End. So that's kind of like my plan for today. But yeah, so we were gone for 23 minutes and I just put it in for some like mixed cardio, and now it's 10:30. I'm not crazy hungry, so I think I'm gonna wait to eat. But I just like love getting some kind of activity in first thing in the morning. It always feels so good. So I actually need to clean up the kitchen. It's a hot mess, honestly, because I worked until 9 last night. So let's go clean up the kitchen. I'll show you guys kind of like my Lululemon outfit of the day. So outfit of the morning, I did put a jacket on top just because it was a little chilly out, but normally I would just kind of like run around with Stella like this. I'm just wearing an Energy long line bra. I'll show you guys the back in a sec. And then just some Aligns, which I only really wear Aligns for like around the house or going for walks, just because they're obviously not meant for like strenuous activity. But they're just like the cheetah ones. And then I'm wearing some Lululemon socks. I'll show you guys the back of my Energy bra. It's like my favorite. I had on the typical jacket that everyone has. I never know what it's called, but you know, the one that like, I call it the mom jacket, the one that looks like this. I never know what it's freaking called. You know, this one, and it like zips up. You know, this jacket. Anyways, so that's that. But I'm gonna throw on probably like a hoodie or something and go clean the Hi guys. Okay, it is a little while later. It is currently 4:07 and I just got back from Serena's. We went for a really nice long walk and then we just like sat outside, distanced, and just caught up. But while I was there, okay, wait, I don't even know where to start with this. I mean, you guys can obviously tell by the title, this is like not what I was thinking would happen by any means. I had my interview yesterday for this position, this secret position, and that was in my area hall video, and they told me that they had interviews for the next few weeks, so it would be a few weeks before I heard back. So I was like, okay, no big deal. Like, I was not expecting to hear back. And I get a phone call from the hospital. I go to voicemail because I thought it was staffing calling me to like come in, and so I was just not gonna answer. I listened to the voicemail on speakerphone, and it was the director of the program letting me know that I was like, I can't even talk. I was a successful candidate, which I was so caught off guard because she said it would be a few weeks before I heard back, and I literally interviewed yesterday. So I officially have a permanent full-time job. I don't even like know where to begin, but let's backtrack so you guys can kind of like see how this is my dream job. So when I was doing my term in digital education, I really missed hematology. If you guys don't know, I was a clerk on a malignant hematology unit for 3 years, which is the study of blood cancers, autoimmune disorders, bone marrow transplants, you name it. And something I've always struggled with is when people ask me what I want to do long term, I say I'm really passionate about hematology. And the answer I always get is, why don't you go back to be a nurse or a doctor? And I say, well, I have a passion for hematology on the non-clinical side, like the coordination side. And they're like, well, there's not really much you can do with that. Like, you're a clerk, there's nowhere you can go. And so just keep that in your head. So when my term was up, I was really excited to go back to work. I think you guys could tell I got a lot of DMs saying like, you look really, really happy to be back in your previous job. And I was. And I just realized how much I missed it. When I realized I didn't get the full-time, Matt and I had like a big brainstorm session. I love that about our relationship, is we always encourage each other to be the best version of ourselves, financially, physically, mentally, career-wise, everything. And so we sat down and he said, what is your dream job? Like, I don't care, like, don't think like, well, if I had a master's, I could do this. Like, what is your dream job? And I said, doing something management level in hematology, because I'm very passionate about hematology in a non-clinical sense. Like, I just don't want to be a nurse anymore. And he said, okay, and what? And I said, but the chances of that are low, because with clerking, like, you can't be like a head clerk or like a clerk manager. Like, it's just, you're just a clerk. The only other positions that are non-clinical for me are like an assistant manager and manager, and my managers aren't going anywhere anytime soon. And so I kind of was like, I'm really passionate about this. Like, I don't know how to take it to the next level. And every time I'm in an interview, I tell them like my end goal is to end up in mid-level or upper level management, preferably in hematology, because I'm so passionate about it and the research and the advancements that are happening in it. Anyways, so I kind of always feel stuck and like in a rut because I didn't know how I could pursue this further. And it was always like a dream for me. So then I was scrolling the jobs the other day and I saw that they were hiring a I'll give you guys my official job title when I get my job offer, but basically I'm involved in the research coordination, study trial coordination, data analysis for patients. Like, I kind of do a little bit of everything. So I applied. I didn't think I'd hear back because I just didn't meet all the qualifications. Once again, apply to everything, you guys. This is why. And I interviewed for that yesterday and it went really, really well. I knew everyone interviewing me, and so that helped, but I was really nervous. And you guys, I had said in the vlog, I was really nervous because I was interviewing with the director of our whole program, who I'd never met in person. But the interview went really, really well. And I wasn't trying to get my hopes up because I got my hopes up last time and then I didn't get the job. And so I was like, whatever, I'll hear back in the next few weeks. And then they called me and offered me the job, and I was like shook. So I got my dream job, you guys. Like, absolute, if you could tell me right now what job I could have, I would tell you something to do with, and I'm always like, I'm always like, if I could create a job, it would be highly research-based, data-based, and coordination-based in hematology, and like, that is literally my job. I'm so beyond excited. I cried the whole way home, and this is the next step up, and then from here it only moves up to like program directors and managers, and I just can't believe that I heard back so soon. And when I called my manager and told her, she was so happy, and she knew that that was my end goal because we have conversations about, you know, career goals, and I really look up to my manager. I really respect her. And so I really like to have meetings with her to discuss kind of like my career goals and how I can get there. And she knows that I wanted a career in, you know, hematology management. Oh my God. And so she was really happy for me. And I'm really happy because I have to leave the unit, of course, because I'm moving to like the actual hematology office. But I get to still see these people all the time and have meetings with them. And I'm just, oh my God, like an absolute dream. And this just, you know, I told you guys in the video, you know, I was obviously upset I didn't get the full time, but I told you guys there was something better out there for me, and I did not think it would come this quick by any means, but here we are. I can't believe it. Like, I'm just completely starstruck, honestly. Wow. So anyways, I'll give you guys some more details once I get like my job offer and stuff, but yes, and then when I start and stuff. So the goal is for me to start the first week of May, which is the week after we move. So I can't believe it. I am literally so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I just did what I said I was gonna do. You guys heard me during every interview say, oh my God, I need to get new headphones. When I get a full-time job, I'm gonna get new headphones. And I did it, you guys. I just ordered my AirPods. I texted Matt and I told him I was doing it, and he was like, you go, babe, you go. I just feel like I use headphones so much that like wires need to go. So I'm really excited. So this went from like a weekend vlog to like a big life update vlog. There's just so many good things happening in life, right? Oh, I just can't believe it. I can't believe it, you guys. And so yeah, this is just your sign once again that if something doesn't go your way, you might not understand it in the moment, but there's something better out there for you guys. And I cannot wait to take you guys along on this journey. And I do, before you guys ask, I do get to work from home, which is great for the foreseeable future. And then we will go back to a hybrid model. So like kind of working from home, going into the office. So I'm so excited. If you guys have any questions, of course, you guys can leave them down below. I can't believe it. Do you want to go in the car? Do you want to go in the car? You want to go on adventures? Okay, let's go. You say you can go in the car with me? We're gonna go get my AirPods. Let's go. Oh my God, she's so excited. She loves going in the car. Alrighty guys, I took off my face makeup just because I just need to let it breathe. But where are we going? Where are we going? Stella loves car rides, if you guys didn't know that. So I literally ordered my AirPods on Best Buy like 10 minutes ago and they're already ready. So we're gonna go pick them up, get out of the house. And then I'll end the vlog off. I wanted to include like a little unboxing for you guys. Anyways, I'm having some pineapple. But I ended up getting just the older AirPods. I didn't want the AirPods Pro because I personally just don't like rubber in my ears. Like, you know how when it like squishes in your ears? I don't like that. So I just got the AirPods. These are the, I don't really know which ones I bought, honestly. AirPods with charging case. They're not the wireless ones, but that's okay. Like, I just didn't really care. And then on Best Buy, at least, if you bought the AirPods, you got like a free case. So I got like a free little case. And so we're gonna do a little unboxing. Isn't that ironic that I have my headphones right? Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Wow, I feel like I'm so late to the bandwagon, but I finally have some AirPods. This is the best part about new Apple products. Woo! And then, oh my gosh, I feel so cool finally. Wow. Oh my God, they're like magnetic. That is so cool. Let's do a little setup. To connect to iPhone, follow steps 1 to 3. Turn on Bluetooth. My Bluetooth is on. Open case. Hold near unlocked iPhone. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so easy. Holy cow. That's so easy. Wow. Are you so excited that Mommy got AirPods? Are you so happy for me? On that note, I'm gonna eat my pineapple. I think I'm gonna go for a walk and listen to a podcast on my new AirPods. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. A little spontaneous. It was gonna be a weekend vlog, but don't worry, I'm gonna vlog tomorrow as well on a separate vlog. I just think this deserves its own vlog, you know? Big milestone. Your girl's a permanent full-timer now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already. We're getting so close to 20K. And the 9 to 5 work from home vlogs are coming back. So subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys next time.